Have you noticed those incredible AI animated YouTube shorts that are taking the internet by storm? The ones featuring fierce human-like national animals that embody the spirit and culture of their countries. From powerful Bengal tiger warriors representing India to majestic golden eagle guardians from Mexico. These captivating shorts are not only beautiful, but also highly engaging, and they're blowing up across social media. Creators are seeing a huge spike in views, engagement, and yes, revenue, just by tapping into this trending format. You don't need expensive tools or a team of animators to create these viral videos with the power of AI. Anyone can bring these characters to life quickly and without spending a dime. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process step by step, how to create these viral shorts. Alright, let's get started. The first step is creating the prompts we need to generate our images, and we'll use ChatGPT to craft these prompts. Head over to ChatGPT and pasting in this pre-written prompt that will be available in the description below. This prompt is designed specifically to guide ChatGPT in generating the detailed image prompts we need for our video. Once you've pasted the prompt into ChatGPT, take a moment to read through it and make any changes you'd like. The prompt we're using instructs ChatGPT to create 3 highly detailed image prompts for anthropomorphic characters. These characters are based on the national animals of specific countries, blending human and animal features to create unique, eye-catching figures. Each character will have defining traits like fur patterns, scales, or horns, and will be shown in culturally inspired attire that features traditional patterns and subtle national symbols like the flags of each country integrated into the background of the images. After you've reviewed and customized your prompt to your liking, go ahead and hit enter. ChatGPT will then work its magic and provide you with detailed cinematic image prompts that include everything we specified, and it will also provide a simple video prompt to use when we want to animate these images and turn them into a video that showcases movement and highlights each character's strength and cultural essence. With our prompt ready, it's time to generate the images. For this, we'll be using Ideogram. Open your browser and search for ideogram.ai. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to create one. Once you're signed in, click on the plus icon to open the workspace. Make sure to adjust the settings to achieve the right image quality and aspect ratio. Now switch back to ChatGPT and copy the first image prompt you generated. Then head back to Ideogram and paste the prompt into the designated prompt box and click Generate. At this point, Ideogram will process your request and start generating the image based on the detailed prompt you provided. This part may take a moment, so be patient as Ideogram works its magic. Once the process is complete, you'll be greeted with your freshly generated image. Take a look at the results. They are impressive with intricate details and a cinematic quality that captures the essence of your vision. Go through the images and select the one you like best. Then download it to your device. Repeat this process for each of your prompts until you have a full set of images ready for your project. Now that we have our images prepared, the next step is to animate them and bring them to life. For this, we'll be using Hailuo AI, a powerful tool that can turn still images into dynamic videos. Open your browser and search for hailuoii.video. Once you reach the homepage, click on the generation icon and select the image to video option. Now go ahead and upload the image you want to animate first. Once your image is uploaded, head back over to ChatGPT and copy the image prompt that was generated earlier. Then turn to Hailuo AI and paste the prompt into the prompt box, then click Generate. Hailuo AI will now process your image and prompt, working to transform your still image into an animated video. This process can take a few moments, so be patient. Once the animation is complete, you'll see your image brought to life on the screen. Review the video to make sure the animation looks smooth and meets your expectations. Hailuo AI does an excellent job of maintaining detail while adding movement, so you should see an impressive result without any errors or glitches. If you're satisfied with how it turned out, download the animated video to your device. Repeat this process to animate the rest of the images. The next step is to get background music for our video, and we'll be using Streambeats to get free non-copyrighted music for our video. Go over to your browser and search for streambeats.com. Once you're on the website, click on the download track file. This will lead you to a collection of albums organized by genre and theme. Each album is packed with high-quality, non-copyrighted music, so you have plenty of choices. Take your time as you explore the different albums to find the right music for your video. Once you find the perfect track that complements the mood and pacing of your video, go ahead and download it to your device. The last step is to bring everything together with editing, and for this we'll be using CapCut, an easy-to-use editing tool. Open CapCut, then click on New Project and import all the videos you've generated. Once your clips are loaded, click on Aspect Ratio and select the appropriate format based on the platform where you'll be uploading your video, whether it's YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikTok. Next, stretch out your clips so that any unwanted logos or watermarks are hidden. This gives your video a clean, professional look. Now let's add transitions to our video. Click on Overlays and choose the transition you want and click on Apply to apply it to all the clips. To make our video even more engaging, we'll add some animations to each clip. Click on Animations. Select the ones you prefer and add animations to all the clips. After that, it's time to add some context. We want to highlight the country each animal represents. Click on Text, type in the name of the country and add its flag. Do this for each clip to ensure your audience knows which national animal they're watching. Now import the background music we downloaded from Streambeats earlier and add it to your project. Once you're happy with how everything looks and sounds, it's time to export your video. Click on Export, increase the video resolution to 4K for the best quality, and download it to your device. And that's it, guys. Your video is now ready to go. Let's take a look at the final result. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and feel free to leave any questions or comments down below.